Okay, let's have meme number 4, which is the remainder theorem. So, according to the remainder theorem, if a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is equal to p quantity c. So, our objective is to find the remainder when a polynomial is divided by a binomial using remainder theorem. Let's have our first example. We want to find the remainder of x cubed minus 3x squared minus 10x plus 24 when it is divided by x minus 4. So, kung maalala nyo, yung ginawa natin kahapon, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to positive 4. So, that is your number na isa-substitute doon sa ating gagawin mamaya sa remainder theorem. So, let's write x cubed is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 10x plus 24. So, our c, this one, p of c is 4. P. Saan galing yung 4? Dun sa divisor. So, kung if naging x plus 4 yan, magiging x is equal to negative 4. So, palitan natin, this will become, lahat ng x, papalitan nyo ng 4. So, that's 4 cubed minus 3 times 4 squared minus 10 times 4 plus 24. So, unti-untiin nyo lang siya. So, what is 4 cubed? That's 4 times 4 times 4 minus 3 times, we all know that 4 squared is equal to 16. Minus 10 times 4, that's 40, plus 24. So, 4 times 4, that's 20. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4, that is 64. Ulit, 4 times 4 is 16 times 4, that's 64. Then, 3 times 16, that is 48 minus 40 plus 24. So, since ito naman ay addition and subtraction, you can solve it by from left to right. So, simulan mo sa ang tawag dito, sa simula. Kasi sa MDAS naman, di ba? Interchangeable naman si addition tsaka si subtraction. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo silang pagbalik na rin kahit ano yung mauna sa dalawa. As well as yung sa multiplication and division. Yun. So, 64 minus 48. Or kung ano yung pinaka-convenient sa inyo dito. So, let's have 64 minus 48. That is 16 minus 40 plus 24. So, what is 16 minus 40? So, that's negative 24 plus 24. So, your remainder is 0. Okay? Yung sinasabi kong interchangeable, addition, subtraction lang pwede, at saka yung multiplication, division. Pero, hindi mo na pwedeng pagbalik-balik na rin yung iba. So, from left to right, Basta wala naman ng ibang nakalagay na operation, bukod sa subtraction and addition, pwede mo na silang pagpalit-palitin. Kahit ito yung umpisahan natin, magiging 0 pa rin yung sagot mo. So, negative 40 plus 24, that is negative 16. So, kapag naging negative 16 to, tapos ito, 64 minus 14, 16 din yan. So, 16 minus 16 is 0 pa din. So, again, sa MDAS, interchangeable ang addition and subtraction. Baka kasi nalilito kayo. So, therefore, kapag dinivide mo si x cubed minus 3x squared minus 10x plus 24 kay x minus 4, ang remainder niya is 0. So, try natin na mag-solve ng synthetic division. So, dito natin, we have x cubed minus 3x squared minus 10x plus 24. We want to divide it by x minus 4. So, check natin kung ang remainder talaga niya ay 0 by using synthetic division. So, double check nyo yung mga exponent. 3, 2, 1. So, correct. And then, constant. So, check na yun. Then, this is x minus 4 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to 4. So, 4 yung maliit na box. So, 1, negative 3, negative 10, positive 24. So, sana nasusundan nyo kasi ito yung lesson natin last time. Bring down 1, multiply by 4, that's 4. May utang kang 3, may pera kang 4, so ang tira mo ay piso. So, 1 times 4, that is 4. May utang kang 10, may pera kang 4, meron ka pa rin utang na 6. And then, in multiplying, take note that different signs is equal to negative. So, negative times positive is negative. 6 times 4 is 24. So, the answer is negative 10. So, take note kung maaalala nyo, itong dulo dito, this is our remainder. So, tama tayo kasi yung remainder nito is 0. Ayan. So, punta tayo sa kabilang slide. This is 0. The remainder is 0. Magtatanong kayo, mas mabilis po yung synthetic division kesa sa remainder theorem. Kung remainder lang naman din ang kukunin. May chances na mas mabilis gamitin ang remainder theorem kesa sa synthetic, lalo na sa maliliit. For example, we want to divide x cubed minus 1 by x minus 1. So, mas matagal yung synthetic division dito. Bakit? So, let's use the remainder theorem. So, itong x minus 1, magiging x is equal to 1. So, P of 1 is equal to 1 cubed minus 1. So, what is 1 times 1 times 1? That is equal to 1. Minus 1. So, ang remainder mo is 0. So, this is true remainder theorem. Mas mabilis siya. Try natin ng synthetic. So, ito ay kulang. Dapat yan x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 1. So, you want it to divide by x minus 1. So, this is 1, 0, 0, negative 1. Bring down 1. 1 times 1, that's 1. 0 plus 1, that's 1. 1 times 1, that's also 1. So, 1 times 1, it's 1. So, still, your remainder is 0. Sa kaso na to, mas matagal yung synthetic division sa remainder theorem. And take note, the remainder theorem only get the remainder. Only gets the remainder. Pero sa synthetic, nakukuha niya yung pinakasagot talaga. Let's have another example. We have 2x cubed plus 9x squared minus 6x minus 5. We want to divide it by x plus 5. So, this time, negative na yung ating ipang multiply. So, to remainder theorem, we substitute lahat ng x. Yung lahat ng x, gagawin nating negative 5. Ayan. So, this is negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 plus 9 times, ito, kaya nyo na to, negative 5 times negative 5, negative times negative is positive. So, this is 25. Minus 6 times, di ko pa pala napalitan yun, negative 5. So, buray na natin dito. So, gawin na natin tong negative 6 times negative 5. So, negative 6 times negative 5, that is equal to positive 30. So, this is 25 times 5. The answer is negative 125. Negative times negative, positive. Positive times negative, that's negative. Then, 9 times 25, the answer is 225. So, 2 times negative 125, that's negative 250 plus 225 plus 30 minus 5. Ayan. Solve na natin. So, ito, may utang kang 250, may pera kang 225, may tira ka pang 25 na utang. Tapos, may utang kang 25, may pera kang 30, so, meron ka pang 5 piso. Tapos, may utang ka ulit 5. So, the answer is equal to 0. So, therefore, the remainder is equal to 0. So, I think that's all for the remainder theorem. Sana, ayan, may pangatlo pang example. Nandun naman na siya sa module ng SDO Malabon, pero eto, pinakita ko lang kung paano siya gawin. So, that is remainder theorem. Thank you.